guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to talk about 3 products that work for my skin tone. So I don't know if you remember, but a few videos back, I think it was a get ready with me or something like that, but I did said that I do get a lot of little bumps around my jawline and also on my double chin, because I do have double chin. So I still don't know what causes them. I don't think I'm allergic to something that I eat every day or something from my makeup. So I really want to think that is because of my phone, because I don't use an antibacterial to clean my phone every day or very often. So there's a lot of bacteria growing on your phone, so probably that's an answer. So I want to think that is because of my phone. So yeah, I should probably clean my phone more often or disinfect it. So I'm going to show you 2 face masks that really help me to get rid of those little bumps. I don't know how to name them. I don't think this is a breakout. Maybe if this is a breakout, I don't know how to classify it, if that makes sense. This is not acne. This is more like a texture on my skin. So you cannot see it because I did a close-up with the camera and the camera do not fix the little bumps. But you can see it when I'm wearing makeup. You can see like a texture on my skin, and also I can feel them with my finger. So also I'm going to show you a serum that helped me a lot with these little bumps. As I said, I have 2 face masks that really help me with these tiny little bumps. How many times I'm going to say tiny little bumps in this video? Take a shot every time I say tiny little bumps, or maybe take a glass of water to keep you hydrated. So this is from Health and Beauty, Aztec Secrets. This is their Indian healing clay, and it says world's most powerful facial. Deep pore cleansing, and is 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Kathleen Lights introduced me to this clay mask, and I really love it. The other one is from The Ordinary, and this is their AHE plus BHE peeling solution. So this is a face mask because you apply this on your face and then you rinse it out, and also is a peeling solution. So this is their red one because they do have a bunch. This is their red one. So I'm going to insert a clip of me applying this on my face, and also I'm going to read the benefits of this peeling solution. AHE plus BHE peeling solution exfoliates the skin's topmost surface for a brighter and more even appearance and helps clear pore congestion. The formula also improves the appearance of skin texture, fights visible blemishes, and improves the skin radiance. This also reduces the look of fine lines with continued use. So as you can see, this has a lot of benefits for your skin. When I apply this peeling solution, I do feel my skin tingles and also feels like it pulsates, but that sensation goes away after like 1 minute or 2 minutes after you apply that on your face. So don't worry, that feeling won't stay long on your face. And also you want to apply this for no more than 10 minutes. I'm going to read a few benefits of this clay mask, and also I'm going to run the clip where I apply that on my face. So this is a deep pore cleansing mask that helps to remove toxins from your pores, allows skin to heal and reduces inflammation, and this also helps in the lightening of acne marks. So if you have acne, you can totally use this mask, and this has way more benefits than what I just read, but you can also use this on your whole body. On the packaging it says feel your face pulsate. So this really makes your skin pulsate. It's not a bad sensation, and that goes away like after 1 minute you apply this on your face. So you can mix this with water, but I like to use raw apple cider vinegar because I feel like that helps a lot. And the texture, it doesn't have to be way too thick or way too watery. It has to be somewhere in between. And it says if you have sensitive skin, leave this for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you have normal skin, leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. I personally let this on my face for about 15 minutes because I feel like in 15 minutes this dries like completely. You'll feel your face pulsate like, I don't know how to explain that. You have to use this to understand what I'm trying to say. So it says remove clay by washing with warm water, but now it's summer so I like to use cold water. And slight redness of the skin is normal, will disappear in about 30 minutes. So after you remove this, your face is going to be red AF, like you just got a sunburn. Oh my god, but it doesn't hurt, it doesn't feel like nothing, it's just your skin is red, if that makes sense. So it says to use it once a week, but I guess it's depending on your skin type or how your skin is acting. I like to use this twice a week as my peeling solution. I also like to use that twice a week, sometimes once a week, because I feel like that is a little bit more strong. So for example, I apply this clay mask on Monday and Friday, and in between I go with the peeling solution, for example on Wednesday. It depends on my skin, like how my skin acts that week, I guess. These are the two face masks that really help me. So if you want to try any of this product, please do a patch test, so you know if you are allergic, or how to see how your skin reacts to any of them, just to make sure nothing bad is going to happen, you know what I mean? This is also from The Ordinary. This is their lactic acid 10% plus HA 2%. So I recommend you to include this in your nighttime routine. This is how I like to use it. If you want to use this during the day, you have to make sure you apply a high SPF, because your skin will be more sensitive to a sunburn. Like, you will get a sunburn faster, if that makes sense. So my recommendation is to include this in your nighttime routine, so you don't have to worry about that. And also I'm going to read a few benefits that this has for your skin. Lactic acid is one of the most popular alpha hydroxy acids in skincare used at the moment. This is marketed as a powerful ingredient that helps reduce acne, breakouts, and the appearance of wrinkles and other signs of aging. And this is a face serum, so you can use it every single day or night depending on how you like to use it. And this is how this looks like. And I forgot to mention that The Ordinary products are so affordable and so good. These three products help me with my skin texture, so they do really work for me. So as I said, if you want to try any of these products, make sure you do a patch test before, so you can see how your skin reacts. Maybe you are allergic, who knows. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Products help me with my skin texture. So damn hot in here.